everybody, it's me, Beth Maitland from Dramaqueenbee Quilts Studio. And here we are across country for road trip ramblings. And I love road trips and I love driving. I love being alone in the car to organize my thoughts. I spend a lot of time in the car commuting. My drive to Los Angeles now to report to work at Young and the Restless or any of the other jobs that I may be called in town to do is about 3.5 hours. So I leave about 3 o'clock or 3:30 in the morning and drive when it's very quiet and get a lot of time to organize my thoughts and think about what my next projects are going to be, about phone calls I have to return, about deadlines I have to meet, and about planning. So I spend a lot of time in the car and I really enjoy it. And what I've been thinking about most recently is the deadlines I have left, being the Sunday of Thanksgiving weekend, to complete before my holiday plans. And this year, my holiday plans are unusual to me. There's not going to be any Christmas tree or decorating, really. I'll do my outdoor, I'll do my studio door and my front door with wreaths, and I'll put out bows on my lamps and stuff like that. But I'm not going to have a tree because my daughter is in London, England, in her second last year of her master's degree program in performance on bassoon. She's a classical musician and she plays bassoon. And she wanted this year, like we've never done before, instead of coming home for Christmas, she wanted to have a holiday Christmas in London before she has to leave it. And so we have made plans for me to go and arrive on Christmas Eve, and then we will be spending a London holiday, and then a couple of days after Christmas we're going to fly to Edinburgh, Scotland, and do Hogmanay at the home of our heritage. I am half Scottish on my father's side, and so my mother's side is half Irish and half English. So we're pretty much a UK stew. But with the lion's share being Scottish, we're going to take advantage of Hogmanay, which is their New Year's festival in Scotland. We're going to carry torches down the Royal Mile into Holyrood Park by the palace. And then we are going to march in procession and make the shape of Scotland with our torches and be traditional and have Scottish dancing in kilts and have bagpipers and a beautiful New Year's Eve celebration with fireworks. So it's a dream vacation for mommy and daughter to celebrate our heritage and our roots, and it's going to be fantastic. But that means, tick, 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 I don't have very much time left to finish all of my holiday projects. How about you? Please, in the comments section below, if you got this far in the video, tell me what projects you have left, or if maybe there are some of you that even have all of your Christmas presents wrapped and your Hanukkah presents all organized and your holiday planned and your party scheduled and everything's all done. I'm not that girl. So in the comment section below, why don't you tell me a few things about how close you are to being done, how much you have left, and how realistic it is that you're going to make it to the deadline and not be up sewing your last stitches at 2 o'clock in the morning on Christmas morning like I have to sometimes. Anyway, happy holidays, and let me hear from you. Happy road trip ramblings from Beth Maitland with Dramaqueenbee Quilt Studios.